I've been getting a lot of calls recently and emails from clients and actually even non-clients who have green cards or their spouses have green cards and they're overseas and they're not able to get back to the United States because there's no travel options. Entering the United States as a permanent resident, the government is concerned about intent. What is someone's intent when they come into the United States? And not only that, what was their intent when they were overseas? So, if someone with a green card is supposed to be in the United States and really shouldn't be taking a trip more than 3 or 4 months without any risk unless they apply in advance for a reentry permit. But that being said, if someone's stuck overseas and they have a green card and they can't get back into the United States because of travel issues, just there aren't any flights and their country isn't allowing people to leave and the United States isn't allowing them to come in, they still may have the intent to be a permanent resident just like they did right when they left. So when someone comes into the border, what the border officer is really trying to figure out is what was their intent. And the border officers will take into account the fact that people haven't been able to get in here. Now, if someone were to be overseas on a green card and suddenly now they would be allowed to come in and choose not to come in. And in fact, flights were coming to the United States for many, many months, and they would still wait outside for 5, 6 months past the time when flights were available from their country. That would be a very different situation. Because then the government would look at it as, why didn't they actually try to come back in when it was possible? But just because someone is stuck overseas right now, it's still an issue, but it's not an issue that should be an extreme concern. It would be more of a concern if, in fact, someone could actually enter the United States with a permanent resident card and would choose not to for a longer period of time.